Hey guys, it's Chelsea with WTI talking to you today about the adventures of Sherlock Holmes. Now, this is a 12 chapter book, and each chapter is a different case that they're on, of course, going from a woman who is witting or outwitting Dr. Holmes to red-headed men. It is so good. If you love the mystery and the way that Sherlock's brain thinks, you're absolutely going to love this. I also love too that in the books, the author put in pictures. So you're kind of like seeing the scene as you're seeing it in your brain, but you actually have a picture to go along with it. So you're like, oh, he took swift steps to the whip. Okay. Let's figure out why he did that, you know? Like, you're just really enthralled with it, and the pictures help to just paint another beautiful picture that you can have in your mind. Also comes with captions as well, which I love, and it has just been a great adventure to be with Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson. So if you love mystery, I definitely recommend this right here. That's my point of view.